Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Star app promising easy cash just for playing a game. It sounds tempting, but is it actually legit or just another scam? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on online research and personal opinion. Star is available on Google Play and looks like a fun fruit matching game with a promise of earning real cash as you play. But here's the catch, it doesn't actually pay. According to sites like myroomsmyoffice.com, the cash you see on screen is fake. It's just a number designed to keep you hooked. The developer earns money every time you watch an ad, not by paying you. They set a high withdrawal limit, usually around $300, but as you get closer, your earnings drop dramatically from dollars per level just to a few cents, until it grinds to a halt. Even if you do reach the threshold, the payout never comes. And with no proof of payment, no transparency, and no discussions on Reddit or trusted forums, the red flags are hard to ignore. Star is not a legit money making app. It's a classic ad revenue trap, where the only one getting paid is the developer. Play for fun if you want, but don't expect to cash out. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.